There's actually water that was flooding in through the deck door. And then on that side of the house, it was pulled away about a couple inches, so water was coming right down into the facade and stuff like that. I'm like, we either spend the money on good gutters or we're spending a ton of money on a new foundation. I spent some time online, like looking at different companies. Leafguard just kept popping up at the top, and just decided to try them first, and they were the first and only one person I called and was sold. So they came on a Sunday morning, which I was really impressed with. It just showed how much they really wanted to get it done and get it in before the winter season, and so we didn't have to deal with another winter. To me, that was above and beyond. They use what's called water adhesion. When the rain comes, the water kind of gets sucked in. And they perform great. Like, the biggest thing that I noticed was over by our deck door, where where the water was coming in and it would build up by the deck door. Now there's a big L where it's completely dry because we have functioning gutters now. Go with Leafguard. It was it's worth the investment, and the proof is in the pudding because they function really, really well and haven't had an issue since they put them in.